people. Watch it, man. You can see what I watch it. The water run. Watch it, man. I try to get some more jump, but man, them we do nails work on them thing there. People them we do the decking to their house, them I buy out the jump them, man. So you know, I help me get that one. I saw that one tall. I help me get it. Come on, people, see what I go and look there. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, look how in the yard, man. Water run out. Look at this up. Water run off my house, man, watch it, man. Oh my God, man, watch it. Look down the road. Look out, not even out to see it, you see. Alone rain out to see. Look the people. So we're going. Jump full again, you know, guys. Yeah, man, jump full again. Yeah, man. Right now, if you want some more jump right, that's a see them, you know. You don't know what I'm going on. Low on the rain. Low on the rain in Portland. Low on the rain for days, you know, man. Yeah, man, so just stay tuned, you know. Watch what I'm going on. The rain is cool down now. You see, like now, you see anybody who have a sand on roadside, yeah, man, this water where should be where. That is it, so just stay tuned. That I code. Yeah, man, check in, people. See what I go on. Low rain in Portland, yeah, man. Watch your man look down there, sir. Let's zoom up down there and show you what I go on. I tell you, sir. Rain run off, I won't stop, you know, guys. See, man, watch you look down there in the road. Water run. Come on, let's see what I want. Low on the rain, man. Low on the rain. Low on the rain. Come on. So now stay tuned and watch what I go on. I see you. Yeah, man. Some line, I come through, you know, guys, but I know about the tune line, you know, guys. I go back out, you know. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on.